Hello friends! It's been a while since my last video. I wanted to make this video as kind of like a restart for me, where I can just sit down and talk to you guys and hopefully give you some updates on what's been going on. Oh, and just so you're not confused, I'm going to be using some old vlogging footage in the following clips that I've never used in my videos before, just for visual interest. I have not been as consistent on here as I've wanted to. When I first started my channel in 2019, I had just left Phoenix Fashion Week. That was hard for me because I love fashion, and afterward, YouTube became my new way of expressing myself creatively through fashion, making style videos, thrifting videos, DIY videos. When I started this channel, it was a goal for me to post every single week. And I wanted to grow my channel as fast as I could. I was so excited. I've always wanted to work for myself. And having this YouTube channel, I wanted to make a career out of it. I posted every single week for I think a month or two. And it really made me realize how much work YouTubers put into their videos. I had to learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. I had to learn how to record and also be on camera and be comfortable with it. And jumping into it like that, I wasn't really prepared for the workload, and I couldn't keep up with the weekly videos. From then on, I have been posting here and there with, breaks in between. I actually have a lot of footage of me just vlogging my days from last year, and they have piled up. I think I have maybe 4 or 5 videos worth of footage to post still, but the editing, I don't know what it is, but the editing is the hardest part for me. Even though I haven't been posting regularly on this channel, my goals are still the same as from when I started. I want to get back to posting weekly videos, but I want to do it in a way where I manage my time, efficiently, so I'm not so burnt out. And I want this YouTube channel to potentially become, a career for me. Anyways, I just wanted to verbalize all of this. I want to let you guys know that I love making YouTube videos. I love creating things and expressing myself through fashion, and I want to share that with you guys. I want to be more consistent in my posting and really double down on YouTube. I feel like saying this out loud and putting it out there will make it more of a reality, and because I am telling you this, you guys can hopefully keep me accountable. I am also brainstorming some video ideas that I can do this year, and I have actually started filming a few videos for you guys, but I want to have them done and ready to go before I start posting them. And like I said before, I do have a lot of vlog footage from last year, and I do still want to get those videos up, so I'll be working on editing those. And it might be a little weird because the timeline will be off. I think the last vlog from last year, it starts in I think August or October of last year. So don't be surprised if you see a video from fall of last year. It's just an old vlog. But I did want to ask you guys and get your input on what kind of videos you would like to see from me this year. Do you guys like my fashion and styling videos? Do you like my DIY videos, thrifting videos, vlogging videos? I've noticed on my channel my most popular videos are my vlogs, particularly the one where I go back home for Christmas on the reservation. So let me know what you guys would like to see. It can be something completely different that I haven't done before either. I have been thinking of also doing like cooking or food videos because I am vegetarian and I do cook a lot of my food, and so I feel like that would be something interesting to show you guys. Also, because it is a new year, I thought it would be a good time to talk about my 2021 resolutions. I am not normally a person who makes resolutions, but I really wanted to this year. I honestly had no idea where to start because asking myself, what do I want to accomplish in 2021 is a big question. So I decided to break it down into 5 categories. Those categories being relationship, family, work, school, and friendships. And I will share a few of those goals with you. For family, I wanted to go on more hikes with them and also do group workouts 3 times a week. I have always had a hard time consistently working out, but I have noticed that when I work out in groups, I feel a lot more motivated, and it also helps when it's like a pre-planned thing. Also, we have like a lot of gym equipment here at home, so we don't have to like actually go out to the gym, so it's a lot safer doing it this way. For the school category, I actually have my bachelor's, but I have been thinking about going back for a master's degree. So I do want to do a little bit more research on master programs and possibly start applying. For my work goal, like I mentioned before, my goal is to post weekly YouTube videos. I also want to post corresponding blog posts and also post at least 3 times a week on my Instagram. Implementing all 5 of these goals at once was a little overwhelming, but it's okay to like pull back on a few of your goals and focus on just a couple at a time. And once you have like those couple of goals good and going, then you can start bringing in some of your other goals so you're not so overwhelmed. I would love to know if you guys did any New Year's resolutions. Please share them with me in the comments below if you had. Also, if you are interested in goal setting and habits, a great book that I recommend is Atomic Habits by James Clear. I am currently reading this book and I am a third of the way done, but he offers so much useful information and he basically goes over how to create good habits and break bad ones. So if you are interested in that, I highly recommend you check it out. I was thinking of doing like a book review maybe when I finish reading it, but we'll see if I decide to do that or not. One last thing, I did want to talk about bullet journaling. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I bullet journal, and I started late last year with it. I came across some bullet journaling videos on YouTube, and watching someone like draw out their bullet journal is so therapeutic. So I wanted to give it a try and I love it so far. When I was little, I used to love to draw and paint and do anything artistic. I kind of lost some of that through high school and mainly college. I wanted to take up drawing again and work on my drawing skills, so bullet journaling has definitely helped me with that. And I noticed that with regular planners, I didn't really like using them because the setup was never to my taste. But with bullet journaling, you can fully customize how you want it to be set up. And I am the kind of person who likes to write out to-do lists because they help me kind of just visualize everything I want to do in the day. It helps reduce my stress, and checking things off as I go just makes me feel good at the end of the day. For January, I decided to go with a sheep theme. I think it came out really cute, and I decided to try something a little different. I want to improve my Navajo, so I am going to try and incorporate more Navajo words into my bullet journal as a way for me to learn. January in Navajo is Yas Nith Es, which means the melting of snow. Navajos would take the snow in January and melt it on their stovetops and use that for water. I have been thinking about doing a bullet journal video, but I am always late on making my bullet journal. I make it like sometimes a couple of weeks into the month. So if I ever do a bullet journal video, I'm gonna have to really plan ahead and do that for you guys. Alright, so I think that's everything that I wanted to catch you guys up on. Thank you so much for following along with me. If you're a long-time subscriber or if you've barely come across my channel and started subscribing, it really means a lot to me. Also, don't forget to let me know what your New Year's resolutions are in the comments, and also any videos you would like to see from me. I hope you guys are having a great start to your year, and I will see you soon.